If you see this in nature, you need to crush it very carefully. Although they look harmless, they are actually very dangerous. Don't eat them or let your pet do it either. These mysterious red-colored fruits are actually apple snail eggs. The bright red fluid contained inside these eggs contains a highly poisonous and dangerous neurotoxin. This is the only defensive mechanism this particular snail species has to protect its eggs from potential predators. In humans, they can cause severe eye and skin irritation, but very high doses can be absolutely lethal to animals. The apple snail itself can also be particularly dangerous to humans. It transmits a lethal parasite commonly known as rat lungworm that can cause deadly diseases in humans like meningitis. Fortunately, this only happens if the snails are consumed raw or undercooked. The apple snail is an invasive species in most countries around the world, which is why experts recommend carefully destroying their eggs. Except in South American countries, where the snail is actually a native species. Although it's certainly dangerous, in these regions it's absolutely vital for maintaining the natural ecosystem.